In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva design as a PDF file. So on Canva, you can save your design in many different file types. I'm going to show you how you can save it as a PDF. So first you want to go to Canva and obviously open up your design. I've just got an example design here. I think it's like a Facebook post, so I'm just going to use this. You can save any file as a PDF, right? It doesn't have to be a standard document, but for the video, I'm just going to save this as an example. So once you've created your document and you're happy with it, you want to go to share in the top right hand corner and then go ahead and click on download. What that's going to do is bring you to this window where you can now choose your file type. It will be on PNG by default. Just go and change it to PDF standard or PDF print. So if you want to print this out, obviously click PDF print. If you want to just use it on computer, click PDF standard and then go ahead and download. That will then download your design in a PDF format, and you can see here it is. If we go ahead and open this, you can see it's a PDF format. So that's how you can save your designs on Canva in a PDF.